Good morning. Today we'll continue visualization techniques chart. In this presentation, we'll discuss about heat maps as well as additional charts for multiple variables. Here first you will see heat map. A heat map is a two-dimensional graphical representation of data that uses different shades of color to indicate magnitude. For example, if you take the figure 3.24 shows a heat map indicating the magnitude of changes for a metric called same store sale, which are commonly used in the retail industry to measure trends in sales. Here, this is a heat map. This is heat map for same store sale. This will be used in retail industry. Here we have different locations. In different locations, we have different sales data. The different sales data is listed here according to different months. So month wise data is available. Okay. The data having different magnitudes. So the magnitude of the data will be indicated by different color shades. You have different color shades. All the data have some color shades. These color shades will indicate the magnitude of the data. So suppose if you look at this gray shade, this gray shade indicate declining data. Data is declining. If you look at this blue shade, there you can see increasing data. So month wise there is a increasing. So the magnitude of this data can be identified or indicated by color shades. And the trends can be, the trend of this data can be indicated with the help of spark line. Here we have in a trend. This trend is upward. So it is increasing. It is downward. It is decreasing. Likewise, for each and every row, we have spark line that will try to indicate the trends of sales data. This is the original heat map which was created for the given data. Here you can see the last column have spark line. The spark line will indicate the trends of each and every row or for each and every locations. For this location, what is the sales trend? For this location, what is the sales trend? For this location, what is the sales trend? So that will be indicated by spark line. It is given over here. Now we will see how to create this heat map using MS Excel. So as we know very well that in Excel there are some procedures, some steps. By following these steps, we will try to create the heat map. So originally, this is the original data which is given in the textbook. This data can be used to create heat map. First we will see the first step. Select cells B2 and M17. This is a B2, see B2 and M17. This is the M17. Yeah, mean we are going to select from here to here all data. Select here. Now next step, click the home tab and there you find out the conditional formatting style group. There you can choose color shades and there you can click blue, white, red color scales. So here you can see, you can expand this. So now you can find out the conditional the format. See here we can have customize source tool. Customization home button. There you have conditional formatting. Okay, here you can take color scale. There you can choose blue. This is red. This is blue. So you can choose this. Okay. So this will be automatically created. So now you can look at this table. You have different data with the different color shades. Color shades according to the magnitude of the data. Now, so next we will go click in select cell N2. So this is N2. Okay. So already it is there. N2. It is already there. We can go for N3, for example. N3. For N3, we will try to find out the sparkline. So select this one and go here insert. There you can see spark line. Okay. There you can choose line. Okay. And here you can take the range. We are going to take this second row, that is B3 and M3. So B3 to M3. Now we can choose B3 colon M3. So already location where we have selected. Now if we give OK, automatically the sparkline will be generated over here. So with this help of this sparkline, you can identify or you can understand the trends of this data values. The same way you can go for next also. You can choose this location, then you can go insert. Insert. There you can see sparkline. Select line. There you can see B3 B4 colon M4 location already we selected N4. So if you give OK, so automatically you are getting this trend line. So almost it is a flat. Okay. So like this, for all the location we can identify trend lines using spark lines. So that the heat map helps the reader to easily identify trends and patterns. We can see that Austin has had positive increases throughout the year, while Pittsburgh has had consistently negative same-store sales results. A sales manager could use the heat map in figure 3.24 to identify stores that may require intervention. Stores that may be used as models here. So once if you generate this, it will act as a model. Next, heat maps can be used effectively to convey data over different areas across time, both as in here. See here, we have given different shades for different colors for different locations, as well as for different month. So you'll be able to identify location as well as month. Okay. The heat maps depend strongly on the use of color to convey information. If you don't give colors, it's very difficult to understand this data range. So heat map always giving you completely depend on the color shades. The colors can be easily differentiated and that they do not become overwhelming. So to avoid problems with interpreting difference in the color, sparkline can be added in column N. Okay. Sometimes there will be some mismatching in the colors. So to identify those things by using sparkline, easily we can understand the data. The sparkline clearly shows the overall trends for each locations. However, we cannot gauge differences in the magnitude of increases and decreases among locations using sparkline. The combination of the heat map and sparkline here is a particularly effective way to show both trends and magnitude. These are the additional chart for multiple variables. Here if you look at this table, there you can see in a single bar we have two different shades. So two different shades showing two different data progress. So this will also you can see if you look at this will be you are going if you select this month north south, If you select all, then easily you can go over here. These are all additional chart for multiple variables. Here, if you look at this table, there you have different variables: month, north and south. For all three columns, you have different variables. If you try to put everything in a single bar itself, then we can same data here you have taken. You select all the datas. You select all the datas like this. Then go to insert. There you have chart. There you have column. If you want to create a column chart, you can go here column. There we can choose 2D. Okay. Or you can go to additional. There we have column like this. We can choose which one you want. Suppose if you want to take this as stacked columns, we can choose this one. Okay, it is in 2-dimensional. It is a stacked columns. You can choose this. Click OK. You'll be getting this. You'll be getting chart like this. Okay. So this is one way. The another way. This is another way. Okay. So it is a clustered column chart. For the same thing, you can remove this. Okay. For the same value, we can go for cluster column chart also. You select all. Then same way, go insert and chart. There column chart. Here you can go to all chart type. There you can see this one. Okay, so it's a clustered column. If you click here, automatically you will be getting column like this. Okay, columns like this. So this is the clustered column chart. This is the clustered column chart. This is given over here, right? And even you can create simple way. You can take any two month as well as the north. Okay. So we can choose these two, only north. Okay, then north. Then you can go here, another chart, there, column chart. Simply you can take anything. Right. Okay, this is another one. Okay, so here we can take only one. Okay, the serial it is a north. If you choose this one, automatically it will come north over here, or you can edit over here. Okay. So like this, you can have any number of chart. The same way it is a south. This one is for south. Okay. Next one. Here we have data. We have different data, different columns. Okay. With these additional multiple variables, you can go for scattering also. Okay. See here, the scattered data. Okay. It is for median drone. It is for college graduates. It is for poverty rate. It is for commute time. Okay. So median trend. Okay. Row wise data will be taken and the scatter graph will be plotted over here. So thank you. So once you know very well how to, suppose if it is a chart, so how to create title, how to give name for x-axis, how to give name for y-axis. So already we discussed the same procedure. You can follow here also to create the chart, to fulfill the chart. Okay. So you can select this, go insert. Even if you go here, there we have label also. Okay. So if you want, you can give label also for each and every one. This is a chart title. Okay. So if you want to give chart title, you can give chart title. The same way, you can go here, layout. There you can go axis, primary horizontal axis. Then below, automatically you can give name for x-axis. It is a month.